Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and this is day 2 of my Advent Calendar series. And I have the tray from the Ipsy Advent Calendar, and then I also have the Beauty Space NK right here. And in day number 1, I do show a video of the calendars at the end. I may show it again so you could see it. Sorry for the noise, but that's always something going on around here. Here is day 2. Let's see what's in here. Now, I did open this calendar already on a video, and this I received from Betty Vick, a subscriber, a wonderful subscriber of mine. And I opened it, and if you want to see that video, I'll try to remember to put it below. You're welcome to watch that, but I hope that you'll join me each day for the opening, because I did open it all at once, but I don't remember everything in it. I remember some of the things. But this, in day number 2 is of the Ipsy calendar, is the Iconic London. This is Triple Threat Mascara. I'm anxious to try this because I know that it's, I've heard that it's really good mascara. So let's see. It's very beautiful, gold. It's hard to see with all the glare, but it's a nice mascara. Very, very nice, very good mascara. And then in the Beauty Space NK calendar, let me open it up and get box or whatever it is, box I would say, box number 2 out. Here it's way at the bottom, and it's heavy. It's heavy, and this one says lather, rinse, and repeat. Oh, look what's in here. There's two items in this one. Oh, I'm so excited to get this. This is the Olaplex. We have number 4 and number 5. This is the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I've had some little samples of Olaplex before. You know, it's supposed to be such wonderful shampoo, and so I'm excited about this because even though these are not full size, they don't look full. Well, I don't think they're full size. They really have quite a bit in there. So, you know, I'll be able to use this for a little while. So it's the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. And then the, it says number 5 for the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And that one says repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. So it looks like a half a bottle, I would say. On the Space NK, we do have, let me see, there's so many full-size items. The same with the Ipsy. I don't remember offhand about the Ipsy, and I don't know if I kept my paperwork, but I'll look at my video and let y'all know next time what the value, how many. There's a lot of full size in both calendars, so I'm excited about this, y'all. So thank you so much. I'm excited about this too. I love mascaras. I'm a mascara crazy person. So thanks y'all for stopping by and count your blessings. And I'll just, because, you know, for a couple of days, I'll put the little piece at the end so you see what the calendars look like, because they're just too big to show you right here. So thanks y'all for stopping by. Count your blessings. I hope you're having a wonderful December so far. I hope y'all have an Advent calendar to open. They just really brighten your day if you're able to. Even if you can. Aldi's has the chocolate calendar. It's just fun to pop it open. Those are like $8.99, $9.99. You might want to get yourself one just to have a little fun. Thank y'all for stopping by again. Bye-bye. I have 2 Advent calendars. This is the Space NK, and look at how big it is. And when you open it, there are all of our drawers. It's hard to get it to, I can't get it to stay open, but I wanted you to see it because it's awfully hard to show in a video when I'm sitting down. And then this is the Ipsy calendar. I've already shown this calendar. I've opened it up, but I'm going to open it up each day. This is a cover for the whole thing there. And then here is the Ipsy box, and you open it this way. And then these are, it goes in order, which is really sort of nice. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12. And then there is a second shelf, if you will, and it goes in order, 13 to 24. This one goes, oh, I'm sorry, 25. This one does go to 25. So this is going to be fun to open, and this one goes to 25 as well.